Mobilizing this multi-sector integrated team, and it can have extensions thereof. There's a core team and then extensions that has to include scientists and researchers, policymakers, but really important is this concept of One Health. That's public health, human health, animal health, vectors, environment, and that incredible nexus and interplay between these agents and professionals in this case. In addition, I noted, and I want to stress that that not only the public but the private sector has a really important role to play in this. Mobilizing those private sector enterprises to work on this and be part of the response to the threat is absolutely critical. It is quite clear that coordination across agencies, across countries, and governance is really critical to respond effectively. So we as the United States, as citizens in this country, cannot afford to have isolated thinking. We need to branch out, we need to coordinate, collaborate, be very active partners through our appropriate government agencies, but also through the individual, in our case, APT, the organizations we represent. I think contributing to that global health security agenda in whatever shape or form makes sense to an organization is really critical.